How to download music on your iPhone. In this video, guys, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can download basic music on your iPhone. So the first thing I want you to be doing is go ahead and open your App Store. When you open your App Store, I want you to download two things, guys. I download VLC, so just go ahead and download this. I already have this, or download MX Player. So anyone you want to download, just go ahead and download it. But however, if you have Xender, guys, just go ahead and use it for this trick, guys. So when you're done doing this, just go ahead and open your browser. When you open your browser, guys, I want you to go ahead and search for the name of the music you want to download. So for example, I want to download this music called It's You by Alligate. So when you done this, so as you can see, guys, I've searched for the name of the music. So any website is going to appear for you where you can download it. You can use top music as well. So for example, I'm going to be using this for this trick. So when you open this link, the second link showing there, just go ahead and click on where it says download here. So when you click on download here, guys, as you can see, guys, the music is downloading. So you're just going to have to wait for it to finish. So when your music is done downloading, just go ahead and open your files, guys. When you open your files, as you can see, this is my recent. This is what we just downloaded. So click on it. When you click on it, I want you to go ahead and move it. So move it and take it to the VLC. So if you are using MX Player, you send it to MX Player. If you are using any player you're using, if you're using Xender, just send it there. So as for me, I'm using VLC, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on VLC. I'm going to move the song here. So when you're done doing that, let's just go ahead and open our VLC. So when you open your VLC, guys, as you can see, just go to the audio section. When you go to the audio section, as you can see, here is my song. So you can go ahead and build your playlist doing this. Just go ahead and download song and save it on your phone, as you can see. So I hope this video is helpful. If this video is helpful, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to support the channel. See you on the next one.